This video will help you with important vocabulary related to doing multiplication in English. 4 times 3 equals 12. This is a multiplication sign, and this is the equal sign. 4 times 3 equals 12. Most people memorize the multiplication tables. So if you have something like 8 times 9, you can remember 8 times 9 equals 72. When working with larger numbers, the equation looks something like this. You put the larger number here, and then the smaller number would go here, and then here's the multiplication sign. First, multiply the bottom number by the top number. 7 times 9 equals 63. The 3 goes here, and then you carry the 6. The 6 goes up here. 7 times 2 equals 14 plus the 6 equals 20. The answer for 29 times 7 is 203. Let's try this with larger numbers. 84 times 31. We'll start here in the ones column and multiply 1 times 4 first, and then the 1 times 8 after that. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 8 is 8. Next, multiply the 3 by the 4 here in the ones column. 3 times 4 is 12. That goes here. The 2 and the 12 goes here underneath the 8, and then you carry the 1 in the 12. So 3 times 8 is 24, and then you add this 1 to 24 to get 25. Then add these together. 4 goes down, there's nothing below the 4. 8 plus 2 is 10, and the 1 and the 10 goes here. You're carrying the 1 and the 10 to this column. 1 plus 5 is 6, and then the 2 goes straight down. 84 times 31 equals 2,604. Sometimes it's necessary to multiply using a decimal point, especially when multiplying dollar amounts. $8.45 times 35. If someone makes $8.45 an hour and works 35 hours in a week, how much does that person make? We'll multiply starting here. 5 times 5 is 25. The 5 goes here. The 2 goes up there. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 makes 22. The 2 goes here, and then another 2 goes over here from the 22. 5 times 8 is 40, plus the 2 makes 42. So you bring this down, 42. Then the 3 is multiplied by 5. We're going to go like this. We're going to multiply this number by this one, then go this way and this way. 3 times 5 is 15. Bring down the 5 and carry the 1 over here. 3 times 4 is 12, plus that 1 is 13. You bring down the 3 here and put the 1 from the 13 up here. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. And then we add these numbers together. Bring down the 5, and then 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. And then in this column, just bring down the 2. And then there's a decimal point in this equation. So it's over 2 spaces from this side, 1, 2, and you just bring then the decimal point over 2 spaces here. So your answer for $8.45 times 35 is $295.75.